How can you change HTML in an online free HTML editor? Well, Notepad++ is a free software for Windows 10. You can download it on your PC and use it, and you can script HTML, which means you can automate changes into HTML. To demonstrate this, I will give you an example with find and replace commands. Imagine you want to change a heading from H2 to H4 using a macro, which is a script. You can easily make this script by find and replace. You go to search and choose replace, Control H. And I already have the comment in the line. It says find this bracket of HTML tag. Maybe there is a closing tag and there is a H2 tag. And when you find such a tag, change it into H4. Now you can just test it by lookup. Yes, it finds H2 tags in the text very easily. Well, when it all works, you can say replace all, and you can see here H4, H4, it has changed. Now, a second step, when you have to do this often, is to make a macro so you can repeat it easily. Well, then you have to go to macros, start recording, go to search again and search and replace. You have to type it uniquely, so I have put it on my table to find how it was. So I need to repeat this now. Close tag and replace command. I have to retype also. So I made it again, and in the script there's a replace all command and I close. So you repeated the same script. Now you have to stop recording and you have to save current recorded macro, and you can just name it as you like. Change HTML H2 to H4. I also made scripts to tag your plain text to change it into clean HTML. If you want to see those examples of HTML macros, you can go to my website and the link will be found under this video.